Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to make this one pot chicken and orzo. This is really easy to make. I think it came together in about 35 minutes. I just have some chicken breast that I've cut up, and I'm adding seasonings, and then you'll see on the screen I'm trying something new. Grocery prices are insane. They continue to be insane, and I feel like it would be a good idea if, when I'm making these recipes, if you see what I actually paid for these ingredients. So for the chicken, I didn't end up using the entire pack, but the chicken was $8.22. I did not include spices in this, but everything else is included. And I just feel like that's pretty important, and it's also good for me to see like what I'm paying for these, because I have the luxury of, I don't really pay attention. And I would like to try to start making some meals that are less expensive that you can feed 3 or 4 people with. This one wasn't terrible. It makes a lot of food. My husband ate on it for several days. And it came out to $31 at the end. And I did buy some higher priced ingredients. So the sun-dried tomatoes are pretty expensive. You could have gotten, just a fresh tomato, and that it would have been really similar. The orzo was really inexpensive, and the chicken broth was also really inexpensive. The chicken itself, it was not terrible considering that I didn't use the entire pack, but there was only 2 pieces left. So not terrible, but there are ways to make that less expensive. So anyways, but this recipe is really easy to make. My big tip for this is to keep an eye on it and to just stir it. I have a real problem with orzo. Whenever I cook orzo, it wants to stick to the bottom of my pot, and so I just kept an eye on it. I just kept stirring it and like scrubbing the bottom with my spoon, and I didn't have a big problem with things sticking this time. So that's really the big trick, is just keep an eye on it. Make sure you're stirring it every couple minutes or so to keep things from sticking. But this was really simple to make. All of the ingredients together cost about $30 here where I'm at in North Carolina. And this was really delicious. It was easy. There's some veggies in there, and it made a lot of food, as you can see. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!